Welcome to this guided self-hypnosis. We're going to work on your subconscious, getting rid of negative self-talk, building unshakable confidence. Welcome. This is your time to rest, to reset, to let go of old thought patterns that no longer serve you, and to step into a space of calm, clarity, and self-belief. Let's begin by taking a deep breath. Inhale until you feel your lungs filling to the best of their capacity. Hold until you can no longer hold it comfortably, and then let it out slowly through your mouth. Begin by taking a deep breath in. Now exhale slowly. Feel your lungs emptying out all of the tension, all of the noise. Now again, inhale peace. Exhale and release. With every breath, let yourself settle a little more deeply into stillness. You don't need to control your thoughts, just allow them to drift by like clouds moving across a blue, open sky. You are safe here. This is your inner sanctuary, a place where healing begins through gentleness. As you breathe, notice your body softening. Your jaw loosens, your shoulders drop down, your hands unclench, your chest opens, your belly softens, and your legs rest heavy and relaxed. Imagine a soft wave of calm traveling from the crown of your head, down your neck, flowing through your shoulders and arms, down your chest and back, over your hips, your legs, down over your feet. Each wave carries away any leftover tension, leaving behind a sense of comfort, like sinking into a warm, weightless pool. Let your mind slow down. Let your body rest. Let your awareness drift gently inward. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just here, just now, breathing and being. Now imagine yourself standing at the top of a gentle staircase. At the bottom lies a peaceful garden, your inner place of transformation. In a moment, I'll count down from 10 to 1. With each number, feel yourself moving one step closer to complete relaxation. By the time I reach 1, you'll be in a deep, calm, healing state where your subconscious mind becomes open to change. 10, you're stepping down, feeling your body grow heavier. 9, deeper still, you're breathing slowly and steady. 8, a warm light surrounding you, protecting and guiding you. 7, releasing every thought that doesn't need to be here, letting it all go. 6, you're halfway down the staircase now, peaceful and safe. 5, stepping down deeper into comfort. 4, drifting, floating, calm. 3, all sounds around you simply help you relax even more. 2, you're nearly there. 1, you're at the bottom of the stairs now, and in front of you is a garden filled with soft light and life. You can hear the rustle of the leaves, the sound of water flowing somewhere nearby, birds singing softly in the distance. You feel the earth beneath your feet, solid, grounding, and real. This garden is the place where your inner voice transforms. It's your sacred space for renewal. Take a slow, deep breath and imagine sitting in the center of this garden. In front of you is a small, still pond. The surface is smooth, like a perfect mirror. As you gaze into it, you begin to see reflections of your past thoughts, moments when you were unkind to yourself, when your inner critic whispered harsh words. You might hear echoes of old beliefs, like, I'm not enough, I can't do this, I'll never be good enough. Let those thoughts rise. Don't resist them, just witness them, like old shadows losing their strength in the light. Each of these thoughts was never the truth. They were just echoes of fear, confusion, or pain. They came from a younger version of you trying to stay safe. Now, with compassion, imagine yourself holding a small, glowing light in your hands, the light of forgiveness. Whisper gently to those old voices, I choose peace. Now imagine placing that light into the pond. As it touches the surface, ripples of golden energy spread outward, washing away every trace of those old thoughts. The reflections disappear. The water becomes clear, still, and calm again. You feel lighter, as if a great weight has lifted from your chest, from your mind, and from your heart. In this quietness, there is space for something new, for truth, for self-worth, and most importantly, for love. Now, as you sit in this peaceful garden, a gentle voice, your true inner voice, begins to speak. It sounds like love. It sounds like you at your very best. Listen closely. It says, I am worthy of love and kindness. I am enough. I am a beautiful person. My thoughts are becoming kinder every day. I choose to treat myself with compassion. Every breath fills me with confidence and calm. I am proud of how far I've come. I'm learning, I'm growing, and I'm evolving. I deserve good things. I deserve my best life. Let these words echo softly inside of you. Each repetition builds new pathways in your mind, rewiring your subconscious for belief, for trust, and for peace. Now repeat silently after me. I am safe. I am whole. I am enough. I trust the person I am becoming. Feel the warmth of these truths spreading through your body, into your heart, into your mind, into your soul. They become your new inner language, your new default setting. Your subconscious accepts them easily and fully. From now on, your mind naturally chooses kindness. Your thoughts support you. Your inner voice becomes your ally, encouraging, guiding, and loving. Every time you catch yourself thinking something harsh, you'll feel a gentle nudge, a whisper reminding you, be kind, you are doing your best. And instantly, the old habit loses its power. The new pattern grows stronger. Now imagine standing up in your garden, the light around you growing brighter. You see a version of yourself walking towards you, the version of you who has already integrated this peace, this confidence, this deep self-respect. Look into their eyes, look into your eyes. They are calm, they are strong, and they are radiant. They smile at you, and as they do, you feel their confidence merging with yours. It flows into you like golden light, filling your chest, filling your heart, filling your mind. You begin to stand taller. Your shoulders roll back, your chin lifts. You feel powerful, grounded, and centered. You hear yourself say, I walk through life with quiet confidence. I trust my path. I am open to good things. I am ready for joy. Every cell of your body vibrates with self-assurance. Your energy field expands, calm, balanced, and magnetic. People respond to this energy. Life responds to this energy. It is the energy of self-belief. Now it's time to bring all this wisdom back with you. Look around the garden once more. Notice how alive everything feels. Every leaf, every petal, every ripple of water reflects your inner peace. This peace will always be here with you. You can return any time you need to reconnect with calm and confidence. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. With each number, you'll begin to awaken, bringing with you the deep relaxation, the new affirmations, and the unshakable sense of worthiness you've created. 1. Feeling your energy returning gently. 2. Taking a deep breath. 3. Bringing movement into your fingers and your toes. 4. Stretching softly, smiling to yourself. 5. Opening your eyes, wide awake, very aware, feeling refreshed, confident, and peaceful. Take a deep breath. You have rewritten your inner story. From this moment on, your mind naturally chooses positive self-talk. You are kind to yourself. You believe in your value. You trust your journey. You are enough, and you always have been. Thank you for joining me today. Take these feelings with you as you return to your world, grounded, confident, and filled with self-worth. If you listen to this session daily, your subconscious will continue to strengthen these patterns of self-love and confidence, rewriting your mind for peace and empowerment. Until next time, be gentle with yourself. You are your own greatest ally.